Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and these here are grooming glove wipes. They are going to be able to fit on your hand. I'll show you here in a second how I groom my dogs. These are coconut scented. They're rinse free, so you don't have to worry about rinsing your dog or pet after. This is from H.I.C.C Pet. So shout out to the company for gifting me these. But if you're looking for a solution, maybe your dogs are out playing, you go to the dog park. As soon as you're done with the dog park, you want to come in and you want to just give them a quick wipe down. You can definitely use these grooming glove wipes to do so. It's going to leave a nice scent and get some of that grime and dirt off your pets. Let's go ahead and take a look as I go ahead and wipe my pet with this. This is a reusable pack, and you are going to get 20 in here. So you can go ahead and keep these sealed, keep them nice and wet. You're going to open it up, and then you can pull one glove out, and I'll show you here. Now, I am a bigger guy. I do have a big hand, but these are large enough for anybody to wear. Anybody can put these on. This is a really decent size glove, and it has this nice textured feel to it here with these purple raised bumps to help with the grime and getting that off. And it does have a really lovely scent of coconut too as well. And we can go ahead and put this on. And I do have a big hand and it fits perfect. Fits like a glove, no pun intended. Let's go ahead and give our dog a wipe. Here he is. Here's that stinky boy. Yeah, like he's already knows it's coming because I've done this before and he loves it. And I can just go ahead and give him get his legs, get his paws, right? If you have dirty paws, we can get all that. Also, give him a nice little scrub on his chest, his back, his tail. This is pulling the hair too, plus giving him this nice scent. Give him a nice little rub here. Yeah, he likes it. Yeah, give him a nice little scratch while you're doing it so the dog's making out with getting a nice little scratchy scratch action while we're cleaning him. And man, it smells nice. Like I smell coconut now. He smells tropical. Do you like that scent? Yeah, he does. Really cool. Definitely check it out. Shout out to the company again for gifting me these. If you want your dogs to stay clean, smell good, and make it easy as possible for you by just wiping them and rubbing them, definitely check these gloves out.